So I found myself a potential riding partner. The guy who's been making fun of me for a year. Welcome back to Motorcycle Vision, everybody. My name is Steve. I try to put out one of these every week for your enjoyment. Right now it's just weekend, and I just had this urge to go for a ride. It's really hot out. I'm definitely going to leave with helmet head because it's so hot. But you know what? I just wanted to take a ride. Look at this. This is a pool in our town. Look at this. I can't wait for them to open it up. Can't wait for this frickin' pandemic thing to end. So I found myself a potential riding partner. The guy who's been making fun of me for a year. So it's my little boy. Actually, he'd be mad. Not my little boy. I'm 19 years old, Dad. Alright, fine, whatever. Anyway, my son is now interested in taking motorcycle lessons. I still have my Honda Rebel. I didn't sell it, I didn't do anything with it. It's been in the garage. It hasn't been started like in 6 months. So I took my son. He was so interested in it. I'm like, okay, listen, you don't have a license, you don't have a permit, and I can't send you to a school because everybody's closed because of Corona. So if you really want to try it, took him to a cul-de-sac in my town. I put him on the Rebel, and we did the basic stuff that they teach you, in the beginning of the safety course. This is where the controls are. This is what they do. This is how you rock it back and forth. If you don't remember the rocking, that's where you move it up a couple inches, then walk back. Move it up and walk back. We did this for about 10 minutes. He mastered moving it forward. So we started going up 3 feet, 5 feet, 10 feet, half a block. This kid is so going to get this. That's all I can tell you. So started reaching out for classes. He's comfortable. He knows what he's doing. He's actually way better than me. Way better than me. I mean, I see what's in the course, and he's got some learning to do. Making tight turns, weaving through the cones, making your tires stop right on the line, all of those things. Okay. He's only been in a cul-de-sac for an hour. I'm not going to say this kid is going to be a pro rider, but so much more comfortable than me. I'm betting that has something to do with the fact that he started when he's in 19 and I started when I was 50. Maybe. Anyway, I'm looking forward to him passing his test. I'm going to enjoy having a riding buddy. I think that's going to be fun. Ooh, it also, now that I think about it, it lets me put a camera on his bike, and then you get some cool looking views. I've seen some of the YouTubers, they mount a camera on their handlebars pointed at them. I think that's a cool idea, but I just don't have the room. I don't know where I would put it. Still working on it. This is about the point in people's videos careers where they start talking about the mods they want to do to their bike. To be quite honest, I don't have a mod I want to do to my bike. I really like my bike the way it is. I don't want to do any mods to it. So, as soon as I said that, let me retract it. I have one mod. Obviously, for the next couple of months, I'm not going to be riding in full daylight because it's hot. It's like 90 degrees right now, and I've got, the jacket and the gloves and the helmet and. All right, got all that stuff. So nobody's going to give me hard time in the comments. You didn't wear safety gear. Believe me, I think I'm going to lose 10 pounds on this ride. I wore it. All right, we're out of here. So I'm taking back what I said. I do want to make a mod to my bike. It's 90 degrees now, and we're entering July. Obviously, I'm going to be riding either early mornings, most likely evenings, because I don't want to get up early mornings. I want those lights. The ones that people put under their gas tanks and into their engines, and they glow different colors. I want to buy that. I want to install that. Buying it shouldn't be a problem. Installing it, I really know nothing about motorcycle mechanics. Motorcycle mechanics. How motorcycles work. I just ride it. So I haven't decided. Do I want to try and install it myself? Or do I want to try and have somebody do it for me? Called up somebody, they said it would cost me $300 to have it installed. Wow. Before I do anything, I'm going to go to YouTube and see if anybody has a video on how you install this thing and just how difficult it is to install. I can't imagine it's that hard. I mean, I imagine you're going to have like two wires, a red wire and a black wire. Each one of them goes to the battery. I think the lights adhere to the metal. And this is the part that throws me a little bit. Apparently, you can cut the lights with a scissor. And if they're too long, they'll now fit. That doesn't sound right to me, but that's what I have heard. If that's true, maybe I can do this. I don't know. Doesn't seem so hard. On the next video, on an upcoming video, we'll either A, be showing you me doing the installation, B, me telling you how the installation didn't go well and then I have to go buy another set, or C, how I gave in and I had to have somebody install it for me. Kind of hoping for an option D. I'd like to find somebody who knows what they're doing and have them do it with me. I would like to do it myself. I'd like to be hands-on. I don't want to just ride it. I want to know how it works. I understand my friend now. I have a friend who tells me motorcycle is the greatest air conditioning. When it's running, the breeze is awesome. When I'm at a traffic light or a stop sign, not so much. More to come on the saga of the LED lights that are going to be installed on my bike. So I'm going to head home now. Hey, if you like watching these videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, give me some comments, let me know what you think. My name is Steve, you've been watching Motorcycle Vision. Thanks for watching and spending time with me. Ride safe and I'll catch you on the next ride. Take care and bye-bye.